Hi class, this is Mr. Mark. We've finished our spreadsheet. Now, in this project, we're going to move on and create a presentation. Now, in this presentation, you're going to show on each slide the product that you bought with the price and a little bit of information about what this product is. Now, before we create our presentation, before we create our slideshow, we need to gather the pictures. We need to go to the internet and get the pictures of your products. So today, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on your computer desktop, how to give your folder a name, how to download images of your products from the internet and save them on your desktop, and how to rename the pictures with a short, clear description, and last, how to organize your pictures by placing them in your desktop folder. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is make my window a bit smaller so that I can see my desktop. So if you come over here, you can wait until you get those two arrows like that, and then click and drag. So here's my desktop right here, and this is my browser window. So as you can see from the checklist, the first thing we need to do is create a folder on your computer desktop. Let's do that. Come over here to the desktop. Right-click, New Folder, and as you can see, the words Untitled Folder, it's in blue. That means it's highlighted. So I'm going to call this Mark's Pictures and press Enter. And there we have it. We've created a folder on our desktop. Now, if you want to change the name to this folder, we can click 2 times, not fast, but slow, like this. 1, 2. And it highlights the entire name, and we can change it to Mr. Mark's Pictures. All right, so we've created a folder on your computer desktop, and you've given your folder a name. Now we're going to download images of our products from the internet and save them on the desktop. Now here we have my example spreadsheet. And look at the first thing on my spreadsheet, Camembert cheese. Well, let's go get a picture of Camembert cheese. So we'll go to Amazon. That's where I found it, Amazon.com. And I'm going to search for my Camembert cheese. Camembert cheese. And here we go. There's the Camembert cheese, Le Châtelain. This is what I want to buy. Now, there are 2 ways to save this picture. The first way that works on Windows and Apple computers is simply right-click, Save Image As. Now we want to give it a name. So I'm going to call it cheese, and I have to decide where I want to save it. So I want to save it on my desktop. So I'll choose desktop, and then click save. So it should have saved on my desktop, but I don't see it. Wait. Let's make this, there we've got it. So it saved it in the upper right hand corner. There's my picture. Now I'm going to click on this, and drag and drop it into my folder. And there we have it. Cheese is now in my folder. Now there's a second way of doing this, and sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. And I think this only happens on Apple computers and not Windows PCs. Sometimes you can take the picture and simply click, drag, and drop it on your desktop like that. That's actually pretty easy. Now to rename it, you want to click 1, 2 times, just like we did for the folder, and rename this Cheese 2. And then here we drag and drop it into the folder. So today, class, we have learned how to create a folder on your desktop, how to give your folder a name, how to download images of your products from the internet, save them on your desktop, rename the pictures, and organize the pictures in your folder. Now, you do the same with your products. Have fun!